ready to transform your art, artifacts, or collections into a captivating online experience for a global audience. First, head over to Wix.com and click Create New Site to start. Choose the Portfolio option when prompted, as it offers great gallery features. Browse through the portfolio templates and select one that best suits the style of your exhibition. A clean and simple design often works best to highlight your artwork. Click Edit to get started. Now, let's populate your exhibition. Replace the default images with your own artwork or artifacts. Click on the gallery, then Manage Media to upload your files. Organize your images into folders for different sections or themes within your exhibition. Add titles and descriptions to each image to provide context and information to your visitors. Customize the gallery layout to best showcase your work. Experiment with different layouts like grid, slider, or masonry to find the perfect fit. Enhance your exhibition by adding text boxes with descriptions, artist statements, or historical context next to each artwork. Use different fonts and colors to create a visually appealing and informative experience. Embed multimedia elements, such as videos or audio recordings, to create an immersive experience. You can add virtual tour, artist interviews, or audio descriptions of the artwork. Preview your exhibition to ensure everything looks and functions correctly. Check the layout, image quality, and multimedia elements on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, click Publish and connect a custom domain name for a professional look. Share your digital exhibition link on social media and beyond, reaching a global audience.